Then it's sure to play. Mata pa nga sa rating. Ang stars on the floor. Yung opening pa lang. And 7.8 ang rating. Grabe yan. At nag-trending din. Grabe. Sila Alden. Kasamang Dance Authority. At ID story ni Alden. Support pa nga siya sa business ng friend niya. Sugar High Bakery. At isa si Alden sa pagpilian bilang TV Host of the Year sa BP Choice Awards. Ayan, pwede na bumoto. During video event ay si Alden and host si Gabby Garcia.
Mr. Coson, maraming salamat po for the continuous trust. It's my second year with BDO, and more than anything, I've been very glad with the experience and very honored to be part of the family, knowing that we are here to offer and give solutions to problems of the Filipinos here and abroad in terms of financial literacy. So from credit cards, car loans, home loans, insurance, savings, lahat. Talagang BDO finds ways para mabigay natin yung pangangailangan ng mga kababayan natin. So I'm just really proud to be part of the family, ma'am. Thank you so much. It's an honor po to be here in this event, of course, and to be your host and guest performer. So talagang truly I can say that I have found my ideal partner with BDO. And also, I would like to also thank and make a special shout out po to my Marketing Communications Group family, to my MCG.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for my update. This is Richard, yung Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya!